Hi, this is Ankan here from EDTech, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your driver in your PC while you install new device to your PC or connect your smartphone to your PC, but still the smartphone is not visible anywhere in the file explorer. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So in order to do this, I'm going to connect my smartphone to the computer. As you are confirmed by the music, so you can understand that smartphone is connected, but nowhere in the file explorer my smartphone is showing. So here is the solution how you can do this. You need to go to device manager, and then here you want to go to portable devices. As you can see that my device name is showing here, but still it's not showing here in the file explorer. That means the driver of your smartphone is available in your computer but it's not installed. So in order to fix this problem, you need to right click on the device name and then select update driver software, and then browse my computer for driver software, and then let me pick the driver software from my computer. And then since we need the USB functionality, so we'll use this MTB USB device, and we will click on next, and it will install this. As you can see, now it's available in the file explorer, and here you can see that we are able to see all the files in the internal storage and also all the files and folders included in the SD card of my smartphone. So thanks for watching, guys. If you got help from this video, then like this video and also share this video with your friend who are also facing this kind of same problem, and also subscribe our channel and click the bell notification icon so that you never miss any update from our channel. So till then, stay safe. I'll catch you in the next one.